entrance ng Coastal Road. So wala pang traffic light dito guys. So madalas dito naka-traffic, lalo na mamayang hapon, like rush hour, pauwi ng mga galing trabaho. So ito ang entrance ng Coastal Road. Okay guys, ang nakaganda dito sa Coastal Road, meron mga playground dito like this, merong mini park, at saka meron din yan parking lot. So dapat kayo mag-observe kung saan yung entrance at saka exit, para hindi kayo malilito o ng traffic aid. So hindi kayo matikitan. Okay guys, approaching na tayo sa magagandang view like dagat. So dito sa left side ko guys, yan din yung park din. At meron din dyan na parking lot din. So ito yung view ng Coastal Road.
Upon the waters, the great unknown, where feet may fail, and there I find you in the mystery, in oceans deep, my faith will stand. My soul will rest in your embrace, for I am yours. You are mine. Your grace abounds in deepest waters. Your sovereign hand will be my guide. Feet may fail and fear surrounds me. You've never failed and you won't stop now. So I will call upon your name and keep my eyes above the waves. When oceans rise, my soul
So guys, ang nakaganda dito sa Coastal Road, meron siyang bike lane at saka pwede kayo dito mag-jogging, so every morning. So meron ako nakita sa Facebook na every Sunday car free siya dito, so pwede kayo mag-bike, mag-jogging sa buong Coastal Road. Pero meron limit na oras kung kailan mag-close at kailan mag-start. So ang speed limit dito sa Coastal Road guys ay 60 kph. So meron din minsan dito mag speed gun, so huwag kayo magpadalos-dalos na magpabilis na po. Minsan dito meron mag speed gun like city traffic at LTO. dito sa Coastal Road. So tinawag ko siya